Discover the science of baking cookies with an engaging NGSS-aligned physical science unit for 5th graders. As scientists, students observe and ask a big question about a puzzling phenomenon. Why do baked cookies weigh less than their ingredients? Guided by questions like, how do ingredients change when they are mixed? And what happens when cookies bake in the oven? Students delve deep into the mysteries of matter. Through hands-on activities and classroom discussions, students lead their own investigations that bring science to life in a way that's both fun and educational. By the end of the unit, students develop an integrated understanding of the properties of materials and the changes they undergo, all while settling their own inquiries that drive class learning. Bring this engaging and flavorful unit to your classroom today with Escolar. Let's make student-led science learning a recipe for success.